Weitai Hydraulic is one of China's top-class hydraulic suppliers. We are committed to providing excellent hydraulic products and services to global businesses and final users. Starting from the hydraulic components OEM factory, Weitai has gradually developed into a group company integrating production, trade, and investment. Hydraulic motors are one of our main products. Our factories are all ISO certified, and our material suppliers have obtained CE, RoHS, CSA, and UL certificates. We can design and customize products according to drawings to meet the diverse needs of customers. The motor products include travel motors, swing motors, and wheel motors. Our motors, with an advanced design structure, provide high volume efficiency, high strength, and good stability. It is currently used by well-known international brands and gradually becoming the first choice of OEM motors for excavator manufacturers. This has resulted in the demand and supply of over 40,000 travel motors from Weitai in 2019. As the Shandong Hydraulic Association's secretary company, Weitai is proud to represent China and share our stable quality hydraulic products with the world. Weitai Hydraulic has already been elected as the annual Outstanding Enterprise at Equipment Manufacturing Industry. We endeavor to consistently promote our excellent hydraulic products to the international market. Based on the successful cooperation experience, we recruit more distributors and agents globally to achieve common development and a win-win future.